Yay, at last I have one desk, computer table. This is the live raw edge of the wood, which is called a waning edge, and I wasn't really going to have one of these, but I have, so there it is. So my computer is going to go on here with the printer, so this is going to be like business end and gaming end. But yay, one desk! Woohoo! As you saw from the previous couple of clips, I now have my computer desk, all handmade by husband, and it's got, I think I showed that, got the live edge on here, and plenty of space. I'm hoping to keep it this empty. It was lovely this morning. I did my tax return. Ooh, it's dead easy. Well, it's annoying, but it was lovely to be able to have like my kind of bank statements and things and all spread across here and not have to feel it was like really crushed. And I've still got to sort out all the bits and bobs for the biz things. Probably need to sort out and put all the photography things in a box because I don't really need those out at the minute. So yes, video, it's Thursday today, but the video tomorrow is going to be something that I'm just going to record now. So you will see me wearing the same clothes. That will be how to photograph your artwork. So that will have come out last week. So I guess I better get on with that, hadn't I? Just finished editing and uploading the video for tomorrow, scheduling that, how to photograph your artwork. Hoping that one does really well, and it's lovely and sunny out there, so I think I'm going to go and sit in the garden for a little. I had a really lovely sit in the garden after that last clip. It was lovely and sunny and warm. Then I decided to finish this picture that I had done. I had drawn it a few weeks ago, and I'm going to put it up next to my computer or kind of near my desk just to remind me what a very wise and very dear friend said to me, is to have patience, because I've mentioned this before. I put things out there and do, say, like Facebook posts, and then expect it to reach 100 people in 2 minutes, and I put videos out and hope that they get lots of views quickly, putting colouring pages on Etsy and products on Redbubble, hoping that they'll sell straight away. But when you're as small as me and don't have as much reach on social media and don't have the people that are engaging, then that doesn't happen. So this is to remind me to have patience. And I think it's probably a good lesson in life for anything, that nothing comes easily, really, does it? So just a little reminder. And I chose all the purple and blue tones in this because that's what the colour of the studio is, and they are colours that I like. So this is mixed media. I've got coloured pencil, felt pen, ink, oil pastel and some soft pastels, and the gold ink. I love the way when the gold ink goes on, it looks like it fizzles. That's really the only art that I've done this week, apart from a quick sketch in my sketchbook yesterday, which I shared on Instagram. I have been designing the notebooks, the Froggy notebooks on Redbubble, so quite a lot of computer work this week. And then it was really nice to get out today to Wallington Hall, which is a local National Trust place. And even though it was raining, because before 12:30 you still have to book your tickets, so you just got to kind of chance the weather. But oh, it was really lovely to get out and hear the birds and hear the water in the river bubbling away, and just good for you really to get into green spaces. Very inspiring, very calming, and I hope that everybody manages to get out this weekend somewhere beautiful and lovely and tranquil. I hope you enjoyed the ASMR again this week. It's been a rough few weeks for me, and I just don't my head isn't really in the vlogging at the minute. So it's quite nice to bring these kind of green, natural videos for you. And if you've enjoyed it, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Remember, you can buy me a coffee on ko-fi.com. The link will be in the description, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!